Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel sambar powder at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took the kadai and here I have the coriander seeds. So here I took the half a cup of coriander seeds, that is dhania, and I'm going to add this one. This is very simple recipe guys, and very tasty. And in this I'm going to add some chana dal. So half a cup of chana dal, so the equal proportion, half a cup of coriander seeds and half a cup of chana dal. So here I am adding half a cup of chana dal, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, that is jeera. So here I took some cumin seeds. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. It gives a nice flavor guys in the sambar powder. And I'm going to add half a cup of red chili. So you can use the Kashmiri chili also. So here I added half a cup of sambar chili guys. So I will show you. So this one I got it from the shop. So this is basically a sambar chili, and this chili is mainly used for the sambar powder. So I added half a cup of sambar chili into this, and I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoon of methi seeds, that is the fenugreek. So here I am adding some methi seed, that is the fenugreek, and I'm going to dry roast all these things together. So this recipe you can make in 5 minutes guys, and you can store this one for more than 6 to 8 months. No need to buy from the shop. So in this I'm adding some hing powder. It gives a nice taste in the sambar powder, and we have to dry roast all these things together. Hey guys, I want to share one thing with you all. Nowadays, we are all facing a difficult crisis in our life, guys, because of that virus. So I want to say, please be safe and please be healthy, and please eat healthy food, and please wash your hand with Dettol sanitizer before cooking or after touching any object. So yeah, so these are these things guys, but I am saying for my happiness. And please take care of your kids at your home, and please take care of your elder family members who is at your home, and please avoid by going outside. So yeah. So this is done guys. Can you see the color? It started becoming light brown in color, and it's time to switch off the flame. So when it becomes cool down, we have to grind it in the blender. So my sambar powder is ready guys, and very nice aroma, and you can add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder into the sambar. So yeah, so this is a quick way of how to make sambar powder at your home. See you soon in my other cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.